Welcome to this complete guide to the Indian stock market. In this course, you will learn everything from basic concepts to advanced strategies that will help you become a confident investor and trader. By the end of this session, you will understand what stocks are and how the stock market works, how to buy and sell shares, how to pick good stocks for long-term investment, how to trade stocks using price charts, and how to avoid common mistakes and manage risk. Now let's begin with the basics. Imagine you own a small business, like a shop. You need money to expand it. So you decide to sell small ownership shares of your business to investors. This is exactly what big companies do in the stock market. A stock represents a small ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you become a shareholder of that company. Tata Motors has 100 crore shares. If you buy one share, you own a tiny part of Tata Motors. Stock prices move based on demand and supply. More buyers' price goes up, more sellers' price goes down. The stock market is a place where buyers and sellers trade stocks. India has two main stock exchanges, NSE, National Stock Exchange, the largest exchange, and BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange, the oldest exchange, Nifty 50, the top 50 companies from NSE, Sensex, the top 30 companies from BSE. If Nifty goes up, the stock market is performing well. If it falls, investors are losing money. To start investing, you need 3 accounts: a Demat account, which stores your stocks digitally, a trading account, used for buying and selling stocks, and a bank account, which transfers money in and out. Open a Demat and trading account with a broker like Zerodha, Upstocks or Grow. Add money from your bank account to your trading account. Search for a stock like Infosys or Reliance. Place a buy order at a market price or limit price. The stock gets stored in your Demat account. Fundamental analysis helps find strong companies for long-term investment. Revenue and profit growth. Is the company making more money every year? Debt levels. Low debt means a safer company. Industry growth. Is the company's sector growing? A multi-bagger stock is a stock that grows 5 times, 10 times, or even more in value. In 2000, Asian Paint's stock price was 50 rupees. In 2024, it is 3,200 rupees. 10,000 rupees invested in 2000 is now 6,40,000 rupees. Instead of analyzing company fundamentals, traders study price charts to predict short-term movements. Candlestick patterns. These patterns show how the stock moved during a day. Support and resistance. Stocks bounce from support and fall from resistance. Moving averages helps predict future price trends. If Reliance stock breaks a resistance level, traders buy expecting a rise. If Infosys stock falls to a support level, traders buy expecting a rebound. Even the best investors lose money sometimes. The key is managing risk. Use stop loss, which automatically sells a stock if it falls below a certain price. Diversify your portfolio. Never put all your money in one stock. Avoid emotional trading. Fear and greed cause most losses. If a stock crashes 10% without stop loss, you lose big. With stop loss, your trade closes at a small loss and saves your capital. An IPO, initial public offering, is when a company sells its shares to the public for the first time. Open a Demat account. Apply via UPI, Google Pay, PhonePe, or Paytm. If selected, shares are credited to your Demat account. The Zomato IPO in 2021 was listed at 76 rupees. If you applied and got shares, you became a shareholder of Zomato. Sometimes, big investors try to manipulate the market unfairly. Insider trading is when company employees buy or sell stocks before news is public. If a CEO knows that the company will announce huge profits, they may buy shares before the public knows. If a stock suddenly rises 30% without news, something suspicious is happening. This course has covered everything you need to understand and start investing in the stock market. If you want to invest for the long term, focus on fundamental analysis. If you want to trade for short-term profits, learn technical analysis. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.